So here's my new beautiful boho journal that I made for my friend for her upcoming birthday. And here's the tassel. It's fabric and lace and a little bit of a dangle here too. And you just take it off the top. It's just hung on there with a bow and the tie that goes all the way around the journal into the middle section. So let's move that. Here is the dangle, and you can see some beads, and I put them on bead by bead. And so the bottom says live your dream, which is a great message to my friends, and just some lace and fabrics. So the front cover has this beautiful dream catcher, and inside is a tag, and there's a tag tassel. Live free. Good advice. Okay. All the messages I want to give to my friend. Dream big, live free, wander free. Okay, so here's a little cluster on the inside cover, and this is a hidden paper clip, and you can see there's a beautiful cat image, and a beautiful lady, and a dog, and I believe the creator has a dog, but also included a cat, or the other way around. And a lot of blank papers as well, because my friend does like to write in the journals. So a good mix of the pretty papers and just the regular papers from thrift store finds, books, etc. Here's the middle of the signature, first signature of 2. And so we have an envelope, and inside is a tag, and there's a beautiful bird and a moon. Okay. Attached by paper clip with a little fabric on it. Here's the first pocket. And I'm going to take this whole section out before we continue. So this whole section is file folder. So there's the natural fold of the file folder. And then I fold in on the sides, and then I fold up from the bottom. So that makes 4 pockets. And they can hold a lot of stuff, which is great because there's a lot of stuff in here. So this is part of the kit, and there are 4 sets of these pocket sets, which comes with all the tags and little words and all that good stuff. And you can see that I put the pockets, I put them back to back. And there's a piece of cardboard in between, file folder actually, and I thought they make a great addition. And they fit beautifully in that pocket. So the next section, this is an envelope with a beautiful dream catcher inside and butterfly on the other side. So this actually in the kit was a pocket, I believe, with a 3-layer of pockets, but I made it into an envelope, and I also backed the inside of the envelope with paper as well, just to make it stronger. And look at how pretty that is. Here's the next item, is a little book. So let's take this off. And so inside is lined paper. And this comes with the kit, and I've just sewn it on the inside. And it's file folder as the cover again. And I printed the papers, 32-pound paper, and a little envelope. So that's a nice addition to take something on the outside. And right on the corner, there's this little dangle. So that is a button and one set of wings. And this is a little piece of cardboard doubled. And I put some words on each side. So this cardboard is from a box and I just glued everything together. There you go. And let's go to the back pocket. Here's a set of mandala and another envelope. What's inside? Another mandala card. They come with the kit. And so this is the name of the designer who did this beautiful bohemian kit, Giggle Glitter Graphics. And she's a .com and a YouTube channel, which really helped me a lot when I was looking for inspiration to use the kit. She has a lot of content relating to her kits. Very helpful. So here we are at the back inside cover, and I made this tag over the top. This is made out of file folder again, front and back, and made with scraps that I had left over. And this pocket is actually part of the kit as well. And I also have this beautiful flower tag and another card in there as well. I hope you like this journal, and please go over to Giggle Glitter Graphics and check her out. And she's on Etsy, YouTube, and .com. Thank you for joining me today. Take care. Bye.